Welcome to Solo Driven, and today we're gonna see some good old-fashioned
drag racing.
Yeah. My co-worker. Who you got?
Actually, I did a Mustang on this.
Okay, the Mustang. Okay, you're good in my book. Mustang for the win. With the Camaro? You're not gonna go with the Mustang?
I think it's the orange one.
Boy, you better get away from me. You better get away from me, boy. It's tight. That's our boy right there. Come on, yeah! Well, so much for a $700 camera. I dropped it and it's not working, so right when I needed it too. Either way, we're gonna get some footage, even though my camera broke. So I apologize about the quality, but either way, y'all gonna see some interesting races today. Oh, okay, Alamocity. Now that is interesting. Well, what an experience that was. I had a blast out there. Shout out to Alamos Motor City and the gentleman who was running the show, who let me get in the cockpit or whatever that's called to get those amazing shots, even though my camera broke. Real cool guys, so thank you for letting me back there. And shout out to all the drivers for putting on a good show, and to the driver whose car caught on fire. I mean, that was crazy to witness. So it was kind of cool, but you know, I'm glad that he was okay, and hopefully he could get his car up and running. And all the cars were extremely loud, but when it came to the funny cars, like, you can feel the floor rumbling. You know, you can feel the rumble in your chest, you know, in your nose. It almost feels like you can't even breathe or something. You can feel it in your throat, no homo. And it was just a crazy experience. I've never seen those cars race before. I knew they were fast, but seeing it in person is just like, of course, a whole different experience. So I encourage anyone, if they have small children, man, take your kids out there to the drag strip. Support the business, and as you can see in the video, my son had a blast, you know. So it's a real good thing to do when you want to bond with your children. Even my stepdaughter had fun. So long story short, you know, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. It'll really help me out. Like, share, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.